We talk football SA, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1, MTN 8. Kuthi Thaba,
Esibuthi kunjani?
sikhona mfowethu umuncu naye kule ndawo.
Ndoda mina bengizozibukelela ibhola wena bhuti yabona.
Yeah,
But anyway, Golden Arrows was playing very well. Chiefs played also well, but could not capitalize on their chances.
Yes.
Golden Arrows could have scored more than one goal, but
Yeah.
they didn't. It was
Yes.
a beautiful game to watch, but abantu capitalize Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs must go back to the drawing board. Bazame futhi ukuthi another cup. This cup is gone. Sebesena ama-cup ayi-2 right there.
Yeah, sele 3. Yeah.
Sele 3.
Yeah.
But it's not fair what has happened today because Kaizer Chiefs is a big football team, bro.
Yeah.
Phambili at least nabaphume ku-semi-final at least.
Yes.
Not ku-quarter final. Uyabona abantu bebagcwele kanjani.
It's also not fair to MTN.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Really, because the next round manje i-Sundowns should imele iqaliswe i-Pirates yodwa stadium. Uyabona into leyo.
Yeah, manje yini lefuna iyenze manje Chiefs? Mangabe kukanje.
Angithi manje bathola i-coach entsha basayinile ama-player asazi. Mina engikhathazayo nje ukuthi every season Kaizer Chiefs is building.
Yeah.
Kuzobuilda kuze kube nini.
Ayipheli le nto le.
Yeah, kumele ngabe baphethe i-momentum manje straight bazi ukuthi bayacompete.
Yeah.
So every season manje baloli top 8 and bayo-confederation baphuma quarter final. So I don't know.
I-team enkulu.
I don't know what was happened. Angibakhulumi kabi because badinga nathi yabo. Badingeka labantu South Africa football. It's a big team.
Beka abantu bebengakanani stadium.
Exactly, look mfethu nabangani bethu most abangani bethu bazofika thina soba kade somina kade sobukelela ibhola
Ushilo vele omunye wathi ibhakani yesithathu.
no asibendawo thina lapho bendawo yayibona but unfortunately to them asiboneni eligini bazozama because I think the next game is next week. Asibone ukuthi kwenzakala.
Yeah, Wednesday. Esikhukhuni.
Esikhukhuni and Esikhukhuni simnandi sibonile sibone kanjani. Sibone 4-3 and siya ku-semi-final. Asazi ukuthi mhlawumbe bazothola i-Pirates or bazothola i-Mamelodi Sundowns. But thina wabathole thina ukuthi asazi thina ukuthi sihlala sizini.
Nobani kanti nina?
So Orlando Pirates.
Oh.